test. Your acceptance is based on your health information. Call now or visit the website on your screen for free information and a rate book. If you like what you see, it's easy to apply. Just complete a short application, check a few boxes, sign your name, and send it back.
Sounds like something I could use.
Watch and sure it didn't work.
I am, but it is a little more.
Whether you're looking to supplement an existing plan,
I got the TV on there.
first time, consider AARP Level Benefit Term Life from New York Life Insurance Company. Call or go online today to find out more. Not an AARP member? No problem. We'll tell you how to join.
For free information by mail, plus a rate quote, visit
There it is.
NewYorkLife.com or call New York Life at 1-800-922-4433. That's 1-800-922-4433. Respond today and get a free gift. 1-800-922-4433.
Wow.
Certificate and
Nice.
examined prior to purchase.
When I have an eczema flare up,